Hello guys, 안녕하세요. 오늘도 제 채널을 찾아주셔서 감사합니다. 몇 주 전에 저희 교회 부활주일날 포토부스를 만들었습니다. Thank you so much you guys for visiting my channel. We had a spring event for Easter a couple weeks ago and I got to do a photo booth for our congregation. And everyone took pictures and all the families were happy and it was very pleasing and I was very happy to see all the families taking photos here. If you're planning to have a wedding, a bridal shower or a birthday, any kind of event that you are planning to have, I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. I made this wooden palette panel for the backdrop many years ago with my boys. I also found some really old curtains that were not being used. But I was struggling because it was so windy. I found these wooden sticks that were about 2 by 1 and they were not exactly the same length, but I don't think it matters. I bought also 4 poster boards, the white ones, the big ones they sell at the dollar store. First, I placed the 2 by 1s evenly, and then over them, I put my poster board over it, and I used the total of 3 boards, and I am going to staple them. I was just using my regular staple, but I think if you use a staple gun, it will hold better. This one didn't want to go all the way in, so I had to hammer it down afterwards. Remember, I put 3 wooden sticks, so now I'm doing the final, the middle one. I also found these fake grass panels and I think I paid $14 each in the floral district in LA downtown. Unfortunately, they don't have a website, but I will put down their information below. So first, I need to make sure they are very tight with this zip tie to make sure you cannot see the gaps in between these panels. And I put about 4 zip ties for each line. I start from one edge and then the other edge, and then I tie the middles just to make sure they are even. I also bought this floral sponge for artificial plants at the dollar store, and I am cutting them in the middle just to make sure so I don't waste any. I am going to place the foams with the glue gun and put them in between the wood sticks. I suggest you put a mask on when you cut these foams because they release a lot of dust, and I don't think it will be good for your health. Okay, so now that we have everything in place, we are putting the grass over it, and I am tying them with very strong zip ties in the back. And you don't need to tie the bottom part because it will be hanging from the top. It's so nice of Pastor Kim and Deacon Kevin helping me today. They were so nice. They put a shade for me so my face won't get burned and I don't sweat like crazy. Deacon Kevin, it's in the back trying to hang the letters from the back side, but I had the curtains covering the whole thing, so it wasn't an easy job. It took him a long time, and you could see Pastor Kim trying to hold the grass panel for him, and I'm just so thankful to both of them. There's Deacon Kevin jumping out from the back. Seems like something is wrong. I was so busy concentrated in putting the flowers that Deacon Kevin didn't like something. The white line on the top was bothering him. Our senior pastor, Reverend Park, just stopped by to say hello and thank you. He always approaches people to encourage them. So nice of him. I got another request from our education department to do another photo booth. So I am trying to do this at the same time, and thank God he sent me people to help me because I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. I'm trying to make a same look for our kids and the education department, but I don't know if I have enough flowers. I'm sorry, I didn't have time to count all the flowers. I don't know how many roses and how many peonies I used, because I used all the leftovers from many years. I also had Pastor Jessica help us because she's in charge of the elementary. So all this time we've been working on the backdrop. Now I'm going to use this metal arch that I made with Pastor Lee, who is in Korea now. And oh my gosh, I have two of my favorite elders helping us too, Elder Daniel and Elder Richard. What an awesome church, isn't it? All the flowers you see here, I bought them at Hobby Lobby when they were 50% off. If you wait before summer, they will always have on all the floral section 50% off. So that's a good time for you to stock up on flowers if you need them. I also bought a few dangling flowers from the dollar store, but they ran out fast, so you should buy them when you see them.